Hello, beautiful yogis. Welcome to this beginner's journey into the world of Hatha Yoga. It's exciting to have you here. Hatha Yoga is a wonderful practice for all levels, especially beginners. It's about connecting your breath with gentle movements. You'll build strength, flexibility, and inner peace. This step-by-step guide will lead you through a simple yet effective routine. Remember to stay till the end for bonus tips to enhance your practice. Now let's unroll our mats and begin this amazing journey together. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends. Before we dive into the poses, let's warm up our bodies. Sit comfortably and gently tilt your head to the right, then left, for 5 repetitions each. Next, circle your head clockwise and counterclockwise 5 times each. This releases neck tension. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, and roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion for 5 repetitions. Then, reverse the direction, rolling your shoulders backward 5 times. This loosens up the shoulder joints. Come onto your hands and knees. Inhale deeply and arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. Exhale, dropping your belly and gazing upward for cow pose. Repeat this flow 5 times. Now that our bodies are warm and ready, let's move on to our first pose. Mountain pose or Tadasana might seem simple, but it's the foundation for all standing poses. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Ground down through all 4 corners of your feet. Lift your chest slightly and relax your shoulders. Feel your tailbone lengthening toward the ground. Arms by your side, palms facing forward. Close your eyes and take 5 deep breaths. Mountain pose improves posture and grounds you. Breathe deeply and connect with your body. Downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana is a rejuvenating pose. From mountain pose, step back with your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the mat. Lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. Press through your palms and lengthen your spine. Hold for 5 breaths, pedaling out your feet to stretch the calves. Downward. Dog stretches your hamstrings, calves, and back. It also strengthens your arms and shoulders. Section 5. Warrior 1, Building Strength and Balance. Warrior I, or Virabhadrasana Y, is a powerful pose that builds strength and stamina. From downward dog, step your right foot forward between your hands. Pivot your left foot at a 45-degree angle. Rise to a standing position, bending your right knee over your ankle. Extend your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Engage your core and keep your back straight. Gaze forward and hold for 5 breaths. Repeat on the other side. Warrior I strengthens your legs, improves balance, and boosts confidence. Feel the power within you. Section 6. Triangle Pose, Stretching and Opening. Triangle pose, or Trikonasana, is a beautiful standing pose that stretches and opens the body. From Warrior 2, straighten your front leg, extend your arms to the sides, parallel to the floor. Reach your front hand forward and hinge at your hip, bringing your hand down to your shin or a block. Extend your top arm towards the ceiling, gaze upwards. Keep your chest open and breathe deeply. Hold for 5 breaths and repeat on the other side. Triangle pose lengthens the spine, stretches the hamstrings, and opens the chest. Breathe deeply and enjoy the stretch. Section 7. Child's Pose. Rest and Relaxation. Child's Pose, or Balasana, is a resting pose that allows for relaxation and release. From downward dog, bring your knees to the floor. Touch your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Fold forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Extend your arms forward or relax them by your sides. Close your eyes and surrender to the pose. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the gentle stretch in your back and hips. Child's pose is a wonderful way to take a break during your practice. It calms the mind and relieves stress. Section 8. Cool Down Savasana. Savasana, or corpse pose, is the final relaxation pose in our practice. Lie on your back with your arms by your side, palms facing up. Close your eyes and relax your entire body. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Stay here for 5 to 10 minutes, letting go of any tension or stress. Savasana allows your body to absorb the benefits of your practice. It promotes deep relaxation and reduces anxiety. Section 9. Bonus tips for your yoga journey. Congratulations on completing your first Hatha Yoga routine. Here are some bonus tips to enhance your practice. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. Focus on your breath to deepen your practice and calm the mind. Practice regularly to experience the full benefits of yoga. Be patient and enjoy the journey. Remember, yoga is a practice, not a performance. Embrace the process and celebrate your progress. Namaste.